recording. Let's try that again real quick. So the trick was not to pick mass, but to model in place and pick something else. And we picked furniture. Let's try walls. See if it lets us. Okay, so let's try a swept blend. Okay, and again, we're going to first sketch the path. So before you sketch a path, you always want to pick the work plane. It's just going to assume the ground plane. So I'm going to set the work plane by going to set, and you can pick, if you have your reference planes named, you can do that. So let's do it, let's do the pick a plane option, and let's pick this bottom plane here. Sorry, I think it picked the right plane. I can't tell. Just it's okay. I'm doing that plane down there, and then I'm just going to make a shape. I made a spline. I hit yes. Then I pick my profile. Select profile 1. I'll pick things that are kind of dramatically different. Select profile 1. Circular or C channel, how's that? And then select profile 2. We'll change it to a, I don't know, a wall sweep, or let's try this wall sweep, okay? Then we hit OK. And then it just, it sweeps it from one profile to the next profile along the path. If you want to change your profiles, you go down to your project browser all the way down here to families. Go down to the letter P, profiles. Find your profile. So let's say your circular handrail, 1.5 inch. Okay. If you want to see what it looks like in the profile, that's it. That's the profile. Okay. You can right click and say, let's see if we can find a better one. Fascia. Let's find a gutter or parapet or something a little bit more complicated. Square stair nosing. So that's a little more complicated, okay? So you go here and you say duplicate, and let's do this real quick. Let's go and open our family. See Autodesk Revit 2014. I need to find the Imperial Library. Let me just see if I can find the path a little bit quicker. Let me cancel this. Okay, so architecture, component, place a component, load family. I just want to get my path. C, Windows, Program Data, Autodesk, Revit 2014 libraries. Oops. All right, let's try to open our profile up. C, Program Data. Not here, because it's hiding the hidden files. See if we can get to it from Explorer, okay? C. You guys know how to unhide your stuff? Where is that again? Does anyone know where the view options are? View.
Have you signed the baby postcard?
Options. Hide. Hide protected operating system files.
Did you guys all sign the baby postcard?
Oh, show hidden files. That's what we want. Okay? So did you see that? If you can't find this folder, you just go to show hidden files. Okay? It's under options under Windows Explorer. So now I'm going back here. I'm going to go here. See program data. Who remembers the path? Vote brownie points for who remembers the path. Nobody? C. Component. Load families. This is kind of very difficult, but Autodesk. That would make sense. Okay. Autodesk. Revit. Libraries. U.S. Imperial. Profiles. Okay? So we can just pick any one of these, really. Let's just pick stairs, stair nosing. Okay, I'm just going to copy this into our drive again. Okay, profile Revo 1. So now what I have to do is, this is opening and editing a family, which is really kind of fancy, advanced stuff that I would not recommend that you do unless you're really committed. So, so we're going to open up that file real quick. It's under Designs, Skyline, Revit, Families, Profile. Now we can make it whatever we want. Create line. Okay, and then once you're done, you should save it. Okay. Careful if you're editing something, don't save over it. Okay. Well, it didn't like that, so I'm going to save as. In fact, you should always do a save as. Just make sure you don't have multiples. So save as Revo 2. Then we hit, and this is how you do any. One day we're going to get to the windows, and we're going to edit those trapezoidal windows, and we'll do the same process. I'm not going to do it today probably, because you've got the windows, it seems already, Alexis, but we should get to that another day. Load into project, Skyline. And by the way, we'll finish before 2, and then we'll spend the 2 to 3 just planning this project, okay? Doing logistics. Okay, so now we're here. So, oh, I'm sorry, did you see what I did? I load into the wrong project. So by the way, this is a very handy tool. Use this all the time. View, and then close hidden windows. And that'll close all the windows that are hidden. But it will keep one window per project. The more windows you have, the more labor intensive it is for your computer. So now load into project 1. So this time when I go to make my component, model in place, and let's just make walls again. Set my work plane. Swept blend. Sorry, set my work plane now. And then I'll just make my path. Okay, and I think I didn't hit sketch path, set. Sorry, I'm doing things over and over and over.
Hey, what the hell are you doing? This is my class time. What do you want me to do? I'm at your service for.
Yeah, let's figure out how to build this thing,
For 2
okay?
hours, that's it. And then I'm out
Okay,
here.
perfect.
I'm going to
And then
see
you're going
the
to
other
Kip.
grads,
Okay.
the real
Okay,
grads.
just stay here for a minute. For now, look at Kevin's and Brian's and tell me what you think. Select
Fine, but
profile
who's
1.
Kevin and Brian?
Ah, yeah.
Which one of those 2 are you? I'm
Beat you a bocce. Wait, no, you beat me a bocce ball.
Profile Revo 2,
I
okay.
got a bocce ball set for my birthday.
And
no
then,
way.
No
When
way.
was your birthday?
Somebody brought it all the way to the beach. That
Were
fluff.
they like good heavy ones?
Yeah, Italian.
all right.
Yeah.
So I picked the Revo thing. I don't know if you guys saw that.
We lost last weekend.
Did you guys see that?
Can't
Okay.
have mine.
Anyways, there you go. Done.
Go to a bar and play a game of pool and then
All right, that was our Revo segue. I can't see that profile, but I'm sure it's there. Oh, there it is. You see it? See my Revo profile? Yeah? Okay, can you stop the recording?